Okay, so if you ever want to keep track of something like points or keeping track of what someone typed in or any kind of time you want to actually just store a value, you're going to use a variable. So a variable is something that's, well, it's variable, it changes. So I'm going to say var points equals 0. So right now I got this variable called points and it equals 0 and it's a number. Another type of variable is a string. So for example, with quotes around it, tapper, that's a string. Even functions are somewhat kind of a variable inside of JavaScript, which is kind of interesting, but we're not going to go there right now. For right now, we're going to keep it real simple. Variables can be numbers or strings, or later on we can do like lists and arrays and that kind of stuff. But for right now, just to get you started, think of strings and numbers as variables, and they can change. We can add numbers together, we can subtract, and on strings we can actually do something called concatenating, which we're going to see as we want to take the amount of points plus the word points to print that out. Now every time we click, we want to add to points. So we don't want to keep points always 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say points plus equals whatever amount I want to add by. For right now, I'm just going to add by 1. And instead of doing an alert, which will be annoying every time I tap, I have to come up here and tap to turn that off, I'm going to use my console. So I'm going to console.log points. And one thing that kind of happened right there is kind of cool. You see that points is a number, which is really nice. Let's create another one just for fun. Var demo equals hello. And then if we go down here, if we type demo, it's not showing up because of my font size. Let me minus. Yeah, so demo is a string. Yep, so those are your two main types that, for now, make sure you know those two types. I'm going to take demo back out. Okay. So points is equal to 0. We add 1 to it. We're logging out points. If I reload this over here, and if I tap, you see this turn blue. There's something new there. If I open that up, all right. And I can scroll up so I can see my tap. I'm going to tap again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that variable points is changing. Now it is a temporary variable, so if I reload the page and I click taps, we're back to 1, 2, 3, 4. So each time you visit this page, it's not like remembering it like a Facebook post, but it is remembering it like it's just a temporary, I'm doing this one time, I go out of the page, I come back, it's a brand new slate. I'm going to go ahead and clear that out. All right, so for right now, make sure your points are adding up. Let's plus equals 10. Let's try that out. So if I reload this, I tap. Oh, I might have to reload one more time. Sometimes it doesn't take effect right away. So I'm going to reload one more time. Tap. There we go. 10, 20, 30. Now we're jumping by tens. So go ahead and get yours to do that.